welcome to this walk around video. Today we've got this lovely BMW 340i M Sport Shadow Edition. It's finished in Estoril Blue. So you've even got the black kidney grills, and it does have LED headlights. Moving around to the side, you do of course have the high gloss shadow line exterior, including the mirror caps, the 19-inch double spoke M alloys with the M Sport braking system. Of course, some protection glazing to the rear with it being the Shadow Edition. And if we move around to the rear, you do have the LED tail lights and the twin exhaust tailpipes. Inside you do have the oyster leather interior. Really nice contrast to the exterior. You do have the brushed aluminium with the high gloss black trim. Inside of course you do have Harman Kardon sound system with it being the Shadow Edition. You do have electric folding mirrors. Does come with the Pro multimedia, so that has your professional navigation, Bluetooth, DAB and the full black panel display. Full leather steering wheel with paddle shifts, and you do actually have heated electric front seats with driver memory function. Sliding front sunroof. As you can see, your dual zone climate control and all your drive select functions down there. It does also have front and rear park assist, cruise control, other standard features, but it has covered just over 43,000 miles from new with a really lovely comprehensive service history. If you do have any questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133.